everyone, welcome to Njetours channel. Today we'll be talking about ETA. If you're new to our channel, subscribe, like, and don't forget to drop a comment if you have any questions on the comment section. An ETA is Electronic Travel Authorization. It is permitted in some countries, but today in particular we will be talking about Kenya. So Kenya ETA allows some citizens of some certain countries to come into their country. So today we'll be talking about Kenya ETA and how you should apply for it online. Please come with me. Let's do the video together.
So you open Google and you type etakenya.go.ke and it automatically takes you to the Kenya Electronic System for Travel Authorizations homepage. When you get to the homepage, this is how it looks like. You click on Apply Now, and then you see this, is this your personal device? If it's your personal device, click on My Device. If it's a public device, click on Public Device. But we're going to be clicking on My Device. Click on Tourists and Visitors, since if you're a Nigerian passport holder, and it takes you to this page where you have to click on the declaration of consent. So you click I have read and agreed to this above, and to obtain to enter their giveaways and special offers. Then you click on individual application if you're applying for an individual only. Then it comes to this country of residence. You put in your country of residence. If you're in Nigeria, you type Nigeria. In this case, we're in Nigeria, so we're going to type Nigeria. Remember that when you're applying for the Kenya ETA, you make sure that you fill in only correct information to avoid mistakes. So when you click on Nigeria, you press continue and it takes you to the passport information where you upload your passport data page. Make sure that your passport data page is clear and it's not having any distractions so that they don't reject it. So this is our passport data page. We'll move on to the next. We move on to the next page, which is to upload our passport photo. So you click on upload selfie instead and you upload your passport photograph. Make sure that you use a clear passport photograph so it doesn't get rejected. So our passport photographs have been uploaded. The next is going to be our contact information. In this place, what they need is your traveler's contact information, and this includes your phone number. You first of all make sure that the country code is correct, and then you put your phone number, you put your email, you put the your address in Nigeria or any other state, on any other country that you are currently residing on. And then you have to put your occupation as well. You also have to fill in the emergency contact. Please fill in the right information. It is very, very, very important for you to fill in the right information. So when you're going through this process, you have to calm down, take your time, and fill in the right information so you don't have any mistakes and you don't go through problems later. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so now. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if you have anything to share. If you have anybody that this video might be very helpful to them, please send this video to them and tell them to like, share, and also subscribe, because we are always dropping helpful information and tips related to all things about travel. So when you get to emergency contacts, make sure that you put the full name of your emergency contact and also the right phone number. Don't put details that are not correct because these emergency contacts are being collected for a reason. So you want to make sure that the details are correct and legit. So you click continue. So next is our trip information. So this information basically talks about the reason why you're traveling to Kenya, and also it contains your arrival details and also your departure details. They want to know whether you're arriving by air, arriving by sea, arriving by land, and they want to know your flight details, the airline that you are using, your arrival airports in Kenya, and the country of your origin. So they want to know all this trip information as it is required for you to get the Kenya ETA. A requirement for the Kenya ETA is for you to have where you are staying in Kenya, be it a hotel or an apartment residence. You have to have somewhere that you're staying, and you have to provide the details of the place that you're staying in Kenya and the date, from which date to which date. So once you've provided the addresses or the address of the place that you're going to be staying in Kenya and also the date, you're going to click on continue. And then this brings us to traveler information. These are basically informations about you. So they want to know more about you before you're approved to get the Kenya ETA. So once you have provided the right information in this section, you click on continue. Once you get to this section, you are required to upload your airline booking confirmation and also your accommodation booking confirmations as well. These are required documents that you need to get your Kenya ETA. So once you've uploaded them, you click on continue. And then this final part, you click on I am the applicant and I understand the declaration is final and irrevocable, and accept to digitally sign this request and click continue. So this is the application processing period where you are required to pay the Kenya ETA fee. And that brings us to the end of the Kenya ETA application process.
Okay, we've come to the end of this video. If you like the video, drop a comment or share to somebody that needs it. Thank you.